Hello, look what the postman just dropped me. It's another parcel, so it's gonna be another unboxing video. Let's go! Alright, this is the watch. So, yeah, before we go in further, I'm gonna share with you the reference number for this watch in case you're interested. The reference number is SNK355K1. So this is a Seiko 5. I know there's a newer version of Seiko 5 that got everybody hyped up, but this is sort of like their old classic model. And it comes with a silver dial. I'm not sure if it's showing up in my video here. And I'm not sure also you can see that there are in fact a lot of Seiko 5's shield logo all over the dial. I mean, I'm trying to get like some kind of reflection so that you can see the 5's all over the dial. Yep, so instead of buying one Seiko 5, I bought a bunch of Seiko 5's. Yep, it's a dead joke. Alright, so yeah, it's really nice. It's a classic model. It's classically sized. I think it's 37 millimeters. I'm not too sure. And the bracelet is, well, it's good. It's not too bad. Of course, if you look at it, it's just a folded bracelet, folded link bracelet. Let me just peel this off. And yep, I have to remove the hang tag. Yeah, it's quite tricky. Sometimes I have problems removing the hang tag because the string tends to get caught in between the links, and yep, it's really terrible. So maybe I'll just cut it off since I have a knife. Hopefully it can come off now. Alright, so let's continue with the sticker peeling. Oops, I'm not sure why the sticker tends to get caught into the links. And I guess that's pretty much it, except for the clasp. And yep, it's a push button deploying clasp. It's not too bad. It's not like those, I would say, crude model where we just have to pry it off. At least it comes with a push button deploying clasp. And yep, waiting inside is the classic 7S26 that comes with the day-date complication. There's no hand winding, there's no hand hacking, so we gotta do the Seiko shuffle. And yes, I can hear the rotor spinning away. And let's see if everything is working correctly. Okay, so it's noon. Alright, so this is basically it. So if you're interested to know more about this model, I will be wearing this on and off for a couple of weeks or maybe a month or two, and then I will come back with a full review video. So if you do not want to miss that video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon. And yes, I'm gonna show you a little bit more of the Seiko 5. I guess you can barely make it out here. And yep, this is the beauty of this piece. It's a silver dial. I believe there is a blue dial version of the Seiko 5 dials, but since I already have several blue dial watch for now, and I don't really have a silver dial watch, maybe a white off-white dial, but I don't really have a silver dial. So yeah, this caught my attention, and to be very frank, it looks like I know from afar it looks like I don't know, a Rolex Oyster Perpetual, you know, because it has that classical Rolexy look. So yep, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.